How to turn off more activity about your email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off more activity about your email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click here notifications, and now just click this one here, more activity about you, and turn this one off, email, click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.